Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to call someone in a Google Chat. So the first thing we have to do now is just find the Google Chat application. If you cannot find it in the home screen, you just need to slide your screen into the left side until you come into the app library, and you just need to type chat right away on the search button. And after that, whenever you found this application with this symbol, you just need to go click it to open it. And for the next, make sure that you already use the correct account. And after you already sign in with your correct account, you just need to choose which contact or which friends that you want to call. For example, this one. If you want to call her, if you want to call them, you just need to take a look on this upper right corner right here. There will be two symbols. One is camera, and then the other one is magnifier. To start the call, just need to go click it. And after that, there will be like appear here two options, chat audio and chat video. So you just need to go click this chat audio, and now the system will be bring you on the call. So that's the way how to make a call on the Google Chat application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.